We have made some good progress over the last couple of weeks. We've got the fireplace all framed in. A really cool corner fireplace is going to go in here, and in the future there will be a bench that goes around here. Moving over into the kitchen here, we have completed most of our rough-in efforts. We are getting ready to put everything together. We have had quite a bit of a delay on this project because there was some rot on the outside of the house. We can see what's going on here. So we have structural wall here. So we've got temporary studs supporting the floor above, but that's, I mean, a small amount of rot. It's not like it's extensive, but we still need to fix it before we start closing everything up. The results of it were schedule delays because we had to deal with strata to get the rot repair dealt with. So, you know, that said, we're making sure that our client isn't paying for our time to manage a strata issue. So, you know, it's a bit of a balancing act here, but we want to make sure that any sort of rot or water ingress is getting addressed before we start closing everything up. So otherwise, this place is looking pretty good. Just got to get this cleaned up, and then we can finish putting our subfloor down and get ready to move forward. But these things can definitely add delays to your project, and they're almost impossible to anticipate. So at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're working with somebody that is going to not just cover something like that up because it's easier and they can get the job done faster. It's really important to deal with this stuff because rot just grows. It's like a bad apple. It just continues to spoil the other apples. So we got to make sure that that gets dealt with. I'm really looking forward to seeing what this place looks like in another couple of weeks. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.